How to fix Valorant not responding on launch or not working properly. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can fix if Valorant is not responding or not launching properly on your Windows PC. So make sure to watch this video till the end. So if you're having that type of issue, there are a couple of reasons why this happens. The first thing you want to do is open up settings. Then just make sure you're under the system tab and then go to display. Then once you go to display, make sure to set the scale and the display resolution to the recommended one. In this case, I'm selecting 150 for this video because 125 would make it too hard for you to see what's on my laptop screen. So if in your case it's set to 125 recommended, you want to set it to recommended, as well as the resolution as well. You want to make sure that you set it to recommended. Instead of selecting any other abnormal resolution here, you want to make sure to set it to the recommended one. Now after that, right under the display settings again, you'll find the option called graphics. Now if you don't find graphics settings, then what you can also do is just come to system tab over here and then you'll see all these sorts of options, or else in the search box just go ahead and then type in graphics, as you can see. And as you do that, here you'll see graphics settings. Once you go to graphics settings, over here you simply want to look for an application called Valorant. But if you don't find it, here you'll find the option called browse. Just click on it. Once you click on browse, navigate to the folder where you have installed your Valorant game. In my case, it is in the D drive, inside Riot Games folder and Valorant live, and then you want to go to shooter game, binaries, Win64, and then Valorant shipping over here. Then just click on the add option. Now as you've done that, we have added Valorant, right? Over here, just click on options. Once you click on options, you can see graphic preferences. Make sure it's set to high performance. Now just click on the save option. Now, if this doesn't help as well, what you actually want to do is you have to customize the compatibility settings. Now in order to do that, just go and open up search menu and then just type in Valorant again. Right click on it and then go to open file location. Now again over here, right click on it and then go to file location. Now under it, over here you'll see Run Client Services. Go to Riot Games, Valorant, Live, Shooter Game, Binaries, Win64, and then here you'll find an application called Valorant Win64 Shipping. Right click on it, show more options, and then go to properties, right? Once you come to properties, come to compatibility tab, make sure to run the program as an administrator and then click on apply. Last but not the least, you also want to simply ensure that you're using a proper network connection. So open up settings and then go to network and internet. Make sure that you're not using a VPN inside VPN. A VPN can be very useful, but it is going to make your network very unstable. So you want to make sure to turn off VPN and then play the game. Hope this video helped to solve your problem. If it did help solve your problem, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, comment down below. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.